Welcome to AIRSTAGE Cloud, the revolutionary virtual private building management system from Fujitsu General. A U.S. Department of Energy study demonstrated that a building management system, or BMS, can reduce energy use in a typical office building by more than 20%, while at the same time dramatically reduce occupant comfort complaints. To date, BMS deployment is, for the most part, limited to very large buildings, meaning that nearly 80% of all commercial buildings in the United States lack a BMS. Given their obvious economic value, why are so few buildings equipped with a BMS? Cost. Due to their 1990s enterprise computing architecture, they cost a lot to install, and they cost a lot to operate. Their return on investment, or ROI, is measured in years, limiting their use to enterprises capable of making long-term investments in infrastructure. AIRSTAGE Cloud solves the ROI problem by replacing the 30-year-old traditional BMS architecture with a modern cloud edge system. It enables the sharing of expensive cloud resources amongst all AIRSTAGE Cloud users, automates all the expensive per-site engineering, and it is provided as a managed service, meaning that the AIRSTAGE Cloud team handles all the software and network maintenance for you. An AIRSTAGE Cloud virtual private building management system delivers the full value of a BMS, lowering energy expenses, increasing comfort, improving air quality, and lower maintenance expenses, all at a fraction of the cost of a traditional BMS. It also makes it possible to install, commission, and service Fujitsu's ultra-high efficiency VRF equipment faster and easier than equipment from other HVAC manufacturers. Finally, you can get all the benefits of a BMS with a return on investment measured in months rather than years. AIRSTAGE Cloud has two main applications: Site Manager and Service Manager. Site Manager delivers a plug-and-play virtual private BMS. It makes it possible for users to automate, monitor, and control building operations remotely. It automatically recognizes and communicates with all Fujitsu HVAC equipment, Ventasity ERVs, and third-party rooftop package units. Site Manager also allows multiple users of a single account to be grouped by user role, with each role having different rights and access privileges. In addition to Site Manager's in-app functionality, users can be automatically notified of system alert messages by text or email. A single Site Manager account can provide BMS functionality for any number of buildings from 1 to thousands. Service Manager is a sophisticated VRF service application that decreases installation commissioning and service times, increasing productivity and customer satisfaction. With Service Manager, debugging installations and managing commissioning takes days instead of weeks. Because the application can be accessed from anywhere by contractor and facility manager experts, calls for service can now be handled remotely, minimizing the need to send a service tech to the site. And when field service is required, the technician already knows the problem and can arrive at the site with the parts and knowledge to fix it. AIRSTAGE Cloud delivers a BMS with an ROI measured in months instead of years. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.